I am Shaina Cruz, English teacher, Firozpur class, Firozpur. Welcome to my class, and today's class is for the students of class 7. Today's lesson, lesson 1, unit 9, English second paper, and our lesson title is indefinite article. Dear learners, do you know what is article? I think you knew it when you were class 6. Articles A and B are called article, and there are two types of articles. One is definite article, and one is indefinite article. Generally, we use article to understand which noun or noun phrases are definite or indefinite. Okay. Now I will tell you to take your exercise book in the second paper, and I will tell you the page number. Yes. Unit 9 and page number. Dear students, page number 83. At first, I will read a text from your textbook. Then we will discuss this point. Read the following passage and mark the words in italics. In this passage, we will find some words which are italics, and we will identify it, and we will know it. What are they? Rajshahi is an old city. In this sentence, you will find only one word is italics, that is M. It stands on the fourth mark. In a village called Bausha in Rajshahi, there is a man who is recognized as a book lover. He is Polan Sarkar. Polan Sarkar is an old man. He buys books with his own money. He lends villagers books. The villagers became delighted with books they borrow from Sarkar. They have found that reading is a good habit. Dear students, in this text, you will find some words which are italics. I told you earlier, that is M, A, and D. Yes, these words are article. Now, I will tell you the definition of article. They take their position in front of nouns or noun equivalent words. They are used before nouns to show whether the noun is definite or indefinite. Definite words take the, and indefinite words take A and A in front of them. So, A and D, A and are indefinite articles, and these are definite articles. Dear students, look at the board. A book. Book is a noun, and we use A. Can you tell me, is the article definite or indefinite? After some time, you will understand. D. This is also a noun, and B is an article. If we tell that a book, it may be any kind of book. It may be English book or Bengali book, religion or science, any type of story book, comic book, any type of book it may mention. So, it is indefinite article. And the book is very identified, very selected at one fixed book. It may be English book, the book, that means we will indicate only one book, not another. For this reason, D is definite article and A is indefinite article. Now we will discuss where we can use definite article and where we can use indefinite article. But today's lesson is indefinite article, so we will learn only indefinite articles, and only A and N are indefinite articles. A and N are indefinite articles. We generally use A before a consonant and N we use generally before a vowel. Okay, students. Dear students, in stage B, you will notice different uses of A and N. Observe the following words that have taken A before them. You will get a box after every row. And in this box, there are many examples I can read. A car, a boy, a pen, a ball, a bag, a field, a school, a district, a country, a continent, a box, a book, a student, a teacher, a word. All of the nouns are started with a consonant. For this reason, we use A before these words. The words that begin with a consonant sound take the article A in front of them. Yes. Rule number 2. Guess why the following words have taken N before them. An ox, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an independent country, an interesting film, an eye, an enemy, an ass. And I will write some words on the board. An umbrella. Word. Umbrella, an orange. Dear students, look at these words. This is ox, O, umbrella, U, orange, O. So all these letters are vowel. And you know that we have only 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. As this noun starts with an article, with a vowel, for this reason we use N. We use an ox, an umbrella, an orange, an eye, an interesting matter, an independent country, everything. We use N. So the rule is we use N when the noun will start with a vowel. And if a noun starts with a consonant, then we will always use A. Dear students, we will read rule number 3. Observe the following words that have taken N before them. Yes. An honest person, an heir, an hour, and a make. In the above box, there are some words that begins with consonants, but those consonants have a vowel sound. we always use N before a vowel for vowel sound. If I write these words on the board, then it will be very clear to you. It is an honest person. An honest person. And here, an hour. Dear students, you should notice that this noun, honest person, noun phrase, honest person, starts with S. S, that means a consonant. And our is also a consonant. M. M is also a consonant. And we could use a A. But no, there is a very tiny difference. That is, these words are pronounced with a vowel, honest, O, honest, our, O, M-A. For this reason, we use N. And we can tell that if any noun or noun phrase is pronounced like a vowel sound, then we will use N. Dear students, rule number 4. Why do the following words take A before them? A university, an European, a useful report, a unique opportunity. Though the words in the above box begin with a vowel, they are pronounced like a consonant sound. So, instead of A, N is used before those words. A university. A university, a useful report, dear students, look at the board. In this situation, you will see all the words, all the nouns begin with vowel. U, E, all are the vowels. So we could use it, but no. This is another rule that if the vowel is pronounced like a consonant, vowel is pronounced like a consonant, then we will use A. And if any consonant is pronounced like a vowel, then we will use N. Dear students, another point. What about the following words? A one-eyed man. Here O sound like wa. Therefore A is placed before this word note. One-eyed man. Yes, one-eyed man. A person who has only one eye, one-eyed man. A one-eyed man. One-eyed. Yes. Because this is a vowel, but it is pronounced like wa, 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 like wa. For this reason, it is a consonant sound, and we use A. The students is very easy. One-eyed man, one-leg person, What have a note? All the noun will take indefinite article or a. Dear students, number 6, generalized use of article an. A student should respect their teachers. An idle brain is the devil's workshop. Here, A or big N has been used to generalize a student and idle brain. A student and idle brain respectively imply all students and all idle brains. A student should respect their teachers. A student. Can you tell, is it to identify only one student? No. All the students in the world will respect their teacher. So, this the student is used to generalize all the students. For this reason, we use a student. And another, an idle brain. Idle brain is the devil's workshop. There is idle brain indicated. Idle brain indicates all the idle brains in this world. For this reason, this noun is generalizing all the idle brains. But as the word begins with I, vowel, for this reason we used N. Another rule: why do the following names and designations have the definite articles before them? A. Mr. Tipo. And you know that before any person or people or people's name, we generally don't use any article. But the exceptional, there are some exceptional that mean a Mr. Deepak Roy came to see you, and Imran Khan is waiting for you in the lounge. Names of unknown persons or their designation take a on to mean someone. Yes, unknown person. Only to identify, to indicate an unknown person, we can use a or an before the person's name. This shows another rule is an is exclamatory sentence. Yes, you know that. Exclamatory sentence, in exclamatory sentence there is a subject, a verb, object, everything. But we use a and n in a exclamatory sentence. If I read this sentence, then you will be able to understand what an honest man he is. What a splendid picture you have drawn. Yes, and is used to certain exclamatory sentences that begins with what? To determine the noun of the sentence. Only one type of exclamatory sentence will take or will use a or an, and exclamatory sentence that will begin with what? Okay. So why we use article? To determine the noun of that sentence. To determine the noun of this sentence. And number 9, some phrases have a and yes. We generally read some phrases that is in a hurry, at a great speed, at an early date, in a temper. All of these phrases takes article and article, a and a or n. This is the number of it. And number 10, why do the following names have identified articles before them? She is a Begum Rokeya, I say. And he is a Shelley of Bangladesh. He is an Ernest Hemingway of India. The article an has been used to denote likeness. Like similar characteristic, we want to indicate, identify similar characteristics of a famous person. That means she is a Begum Rokeya, I say. Begum Rokeya. She is compared with Begum Rokeya. For this reason, we used a before the name of Begum Rokeya. And another example is she is Shelley of Bangladesh. He is Shelley of Bangladesh. He is a pronoun, he is a person, and we have compared him with Shelley of Bangladesh. For this reason, we used an article before Shelley. Shelley is a person's name. Shelley is a famous writer in English literature. And another example we will find, he is an Ernest Hemingway of India. He is a person of India, and he lives in India, but he is compared with Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway was a writer in English literature. As this noun begins with E, a vowel for the student will used N. Dear students, now consequently we can say that if we denote likeness between two persons, we can use an article before the name of the person. Dear students, today we have learned many rules of independent articles, and I think you have understood all of this. And in our next class we will read the definite